A budget is not what you need to be successful financially. You can build wealth, you can live and spend guilt-free, and I want to be able to show you the way. Let's get into a system and a flow where you know what you have to spend and you know what bills are getting paid and when, so you can stop the paycheck to paycheck cycle for the rest of your life.
Thank you for being here today on Real Money. I'm your host, Lisa Chastain.
Hi.
Hello.
Me, my brand, everything that you do here is the best first place to set a solid financial foundation along with the right mindset to build what you want in your life. Looking at limiting beliefs, you've got to crush your limiting beliefs. You've got to get new beliefs about money. We do that work in my world too. I've had a love-hate relationship with money forever. And before I started my company, I decided to become a financial advisor. I quickly realized that I knew nothing about money. My version of managing money at that point in my life was having an Excel spreadsheet and basically tracking my bills like a check register. You can define what success is for you. There's a lot of people that are going to tell you otherwise, and I'm here to tell you today what you want is possible. Now it's time to start taking steps in the direction of your dreams.